Yeah. No, doing this with one hand is a lot harder than you think. Ooh, where did that box come from?
Let's go and make something.
Oh, so now I get a pellet. It's a bit late now. Thank you for choosing Excalibar by General International. Now this is just a rebranded Scrollsaw. It is Excalibar. They had to rebrand it due to copyright issues in New Zealand. The company that has the import rights to Australia and New Zealand does not export from Australia to New Zealand, so therefore Carbatec have gone to Excalibar and said, you know, we want to import the Scrollsaw, but they've made a few minor changes, and I believe where the fuse is, and if like the dust port and a few switches here and there. But other than that, this is Excalibar. It's just rebranded, different colour. So let's see what this baby can do. As soon as I find that bit of wood that they had in there.
2,000 years later.
Or another bit. I have a problem. I'm out of glue. Using the blue tape helps so much. Leaves no residue of stickiness. So it's probably the best trick I ever learned. So my first thoughts on the new Scrollsaw is I like it. I had to learn how to change the blade quickly and all the rest of it. It took me a wee while to actually work out. That's all good because that's just pure learning how it all works. But other than that, it doesn't vibrate as much. I like the smoothness of the top. I like how the arm lifts up. I also like how there's no insert around the blade. Most of the cheaper ones have this plastic insert, which usually means you don't get as much support when you're cutting something finer. But I may give another review later on. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Catch you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.